So we're doing refining, multiplying with zeros, 1, 2s, 5s, and 10s. So just for review, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. And then any number multiplied by 1 is that number, right? For like 1 times 9 would be 9, right? And then if I multiply by 2s, I'm just doubling the other factor, okay? And then 5s, I could skip count by 5s, and obviously 10s. So let's look at the example, okay? It says, Liam says 2 times 5 has the same product as 5 times 2, okay? So here he has 5 times 2 right here. This is his array. And here he has 2 times 5, okay? Does he have the same number of dots?
Yes.
Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, okay? It's just called fact families. It's the same two factors and the same product. Product is just the answer to a multiplication problem. Okay, so let's apply it. This says find 7 times 2. Okay, then find 8 times 2 and then 9 times 2 using the same model. So this is what they want you to do, like this. So if I have 7 times 2, okay, how many rows do I need?
7.
The first number tells me how many rows. So how many rows?
7.
7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then how many rows?
2.
2. So this one is 7 times 2. And then I need to find 8 times 2. So how many rows?
8.
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then how many? And then I need two columns, right? So just another column. That's my array. And then 9 times 2. How many rows do I need?
9.
9. Let's do that in a different color. So this is 8 times 2. And then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then another column. Because there are 9 rows and 2 in each row. And this one would be 9 times 2. Okay. And the way this explain the pattern you see, well, it looks like I'm adding how many rows each time? I'm just adding one more row, huh? Right? So if this is 14, 7 times 2 is 14, and I added 2 more, okay, what's 8 times 2 then? 16. If I added 2 more, what's 9 times 2? 18. Whoops. Says Randy has 1 bag with 7 apples. Okay. Here's his bag, 7 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And he has 8 bags. 8 bags but 0 oranges? All right. Doesn't make sense, but oh well. 1, that's a bag, 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 a bag, a bag, another bag, and another bag. So that's 8. And how many oranges does he have in there? 0. So do I have to draw anything? No, I don't I? And then he has 3 bags with how many peaches inside? He has 3 bags with how many peaches? 10 each. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it says, how many apples, oranges, and peaches does he have? So I need to count all of them, don't I? Right? So he has 7 here, 0 here, and there's 10. How many peaches does he have altogether? 30, because it's 10, 20, 30. So he's got 30. So he's got 7 apples, 0 oranges, and 30 peaches. So 7 plus 0 plus 0 is 7. 7 plus 0 and 0 is 7, just 7. And then 0 plus 3? 3. So how many fruits does he have altogether? 37. Go ahead and answer number 3. Answer number 3, and then we'll go over it together. So it says, which of the following equals 10? We're multiplying here, right? Okay. So obviously, it says that Ray choose 3 as the correct answer. Well, is it C?
No.
Because any number multiplied by 0 is 0, so it can't be C. This is actually 0. He just thought, oh, 10 plus 0 is 10. Or he just saw the number 10 and thought that maybe that was the answer. Not realizing, not looking at the sign. This tells you to multiply. Okay? So is this an addition or multiplication?
Multiplication.
So 5 times 5, if I'm skip count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So this would be 25, not 10. And then any number multiplied by 1 is that number, right? So 1 times 9 would be 9. Okay. When I have 2 times 5, though, 2 times 5 is like 5 plus 5, isn't it? I'm just doubling one of the products, right? Okay. So what's 2 times 5 then? 10. So which one of those does equal 10? A does. Not B, because it's not adding. That's multiplying. They're all multiplication sentences. Okay, and we realize that Ray is wrong. Because he just saw, oh, there's a 10 in the answer, so that must be it. Without showing his work. Look at 4. It says, which factor will correctly complete all of the factors? So that what they're trying to say is, which number can I put right here? Not 0, by the way. Which number can I put right here? It has to be the same number, though, that will complete each one of those correctly. Okay? So, I'm assuming everybody has an idea? Okay. Let's start eliminating things. Could it be A?
No.
Because any number multiplied by 0 is going to be
0.
Are my answers 0?
No.
No. Could it be D?
Yeah.
D. D. I didn't say B. D. Well, 1 times 10 is actually 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 3 times 10 is 30. And 4 times 10 is, 10 times, 3 times 10 is 30. 4 times 10 is 40. Could that be it? No. Okay? No. So it's not A, and it's not D. Actually, what is the answer, everybody? 1. B. Because any number multiplied by 1 is that number. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. And 4 times 1 is 4. It says to fill in the blanks to complete the multiplication of facts for 10. So, 0 times 10?
0.
1 times 10?
10.
10. Not 1. 1 times 10?
10.
10. 2 times 10?
20.
Oh, I see a pattern. 3 times 10?
30.
So then 10, 20, 30, what comes next?
40.
4 times 10 is 40. 5 times 10?
50.
6 times 10?
60.
Wait, so you notice that it's 6 times 1, which is 6, and then I just add a 0, huh? 7 times 1, which is 7, and then because I'm multiplying by 10s, I'd add a 0. 70. So 8 times 10?
80.
9 times 10?
90.
And 10 times 10.
100.
That was it. You actually saw this something similar to this last week on your test, so we have to circle yes, true or false, right? Or yes or no. So 7 times 2, is that 14?
Yes.
Well, because that's I checked is when I'm multiplying by 2s, I just double the other factors. So 7 plus 7 is 14. So that is true. Okay. 10 times 0 is 10.
No.
No, because again, any number multiplied by 0 is
0.
0. So that's false. 1 times 10 is 10. Is that true or false?
Yes.
What?
True.
That's true. Okay. How about 5? It says 5 times 0 is 5. Is that true? No. So what do I need to mark?
False.
False. Or in this case, no, but false. We're going to use false instead of no. Okay. 2 times 1 is 2. Is that true or false?
True.
That's true because any number multiplied by 1 is that number. So 2 times 1 would be 2. This is true. Okay. 3 times 10 is 30. Is that true or false?
True.
That's true. If you see a test like